That's a tornado. That's a funnel. I can't see. It's trying to wrap up. It's trying. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Is she gonna do it? She's doing it. She's doing it, Rusty.
It's trying.
She's doing it. Come on. Come on. Now it's right over the river, too.
Do you need more wiper?
No, keep them at the same pace.
I'd be mad if that thing drops right behind that tree.
She's still trying. Still trying. Wiper's full.
I guess that's about all I got. God dang, dude, it's just shook my truck.
We're good. We're good where we're at. The thing's going south of us, okay?
I'm gonna back up just to get a little straighter on it.
See the little mini vortices in there?
Yeah, it's getting pretty dark over there though.
Yeah, that's the rain. We're good where we're at. It's gonna get windy, but we're good, trust me. Alright, we're starting to get wrapped up in rain. Now it's gonna be hard to see.
Rain wrap.